Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Temu. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to do so, here we are in the Temu app. Here, tap on U icon at the bottom of your screen. And what I can tell you is that if you go into your settings and you look around, you're not going to find anything related to turning on dark mode for Temu. That is because if you can turn on dark mode, you are going to need to do that through your display settings. As you can see, I do have it currently set to dark mode, but this has not changed the layout for Temu. So this is because there are certain devices that by enabling dark mode, this is going to change the mode for Temu. But for some devices, this is not going to be the case. You're just going to have to test it out with your device. And if Temu does support dark mode, then it will turn dark. Otherwise, there is currently no dark mode within Temu itself, and that's all there is to it. So that's basically how you can turn on dark mode on Temu. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.